So we are just wrapping up our 1 year program, everybody, Jaguar Tribe. So I'm curious, what's one word that describes your experience of this year? Because you remember when we started the year, I said we're entering a year-long medicine ceremony, and we're 1 week away from completing that medicine ceremony. And many of you are stepping into the healer program, so we're not done. But what's your one word that describes your experience up until now? And we'll start with Peya.
Anchored. I feel more anchored into the community.
Anchored. That's a good word, Peya. Thank you. That's beautiful. Lynette.
Life-changing.
Life-changing. Yay! I like to hear that. Nicole.
Birth.
Birth. Beautiful. Bonnie.
Empowered.
Empowered. I like that you put the empowered. Catherine.
Stillness.
Stillness. Beautiful. Been working on that too. Kelly.
Deepened self-acceptance.
Deepened self-acceptance. That's beautiful. And Akeem.
Integrated.
Integrated.
And I would have to add another word, activated.
Activated. Beautiful. And I feel blessed.